there is a quiet magic in preparing a meal. Listen to the gentle sound of running water as we wash a blend of organic quinoa and white rice. This simple morning ritual washes away all the worries of yesterday. For our golden chicken wings, I gently pierce the skin so they can absorb every drop of our rich marinade. A generous splash of aged soy sauce, a hint of freshly crushed garlic, and fragrant spices. Massaging the ingredients by hand connects us deeply to the food we eat. Next, we prepare the slow-roasted pork ribs. I place 2 pounds of fresh cuts into a glass bowl. Pouring in dark soy sauce and aromatic herbs creates a beautiful deep amber color. We will let this rest patiently. Giving food the time it needs to develop flavor is just like giving ourselves time to heal. I love scattering a handful of raw cashews over the rice before cooking. They add a wonderful earthy fragrance that fills the entire kitchen. While the rice is cooking perfectly, let us soak some dried ocean shrimp in warm water too. Slowly awaken their natural umami essence. Now for the meditative art of chopping. Slicing crisp celery, sweet autumn pumpkin, bamboo shoots, and earthy king oyster mushrooms. The rhythmic sound of the knife against the wooden board is incredibly grounding. It reminds us to stay present in this very moment. In a warm cast iron pan, I sear the marinated ribs until they develop a beautiful golden brown crust. Adding our sweet pumpkin chunks and a splash of pure water, we cover it to let everything simmer softly and slowly. In another pan, we sizzle fresh white scallions in a touch of warm oil. This simple step extracts a fragrant essential oil that will carry the soul of our dish. Slicing firm organic white tofu into perfect delicate squares. Tofu is a wonderful plant-based canvas waiting to be painted with flavor. I carefully slide our tray of marinated meats into the warm embrace of the oven. Gently flipping each piece of tofu until they boast a crispy golden exterior. We introduce the rehydrated shrimp to the pan, letting them dance in the warm oil. A splash of savory soy sauce coats the crispy tofu perfectly. This combination is not just delicious, but incredibly rich in natural antioxidants to protect your body. A quick blanch in boiling water keeps our fresh bamboo shoots tender and vibrant. Then a gentle stir-fry allows them to caramelize beautifully. Did you know that bamboo shoots are wonderful for your digestion and naturally help detoxify your system? Our pumpkin has melted into a rich sweet sauce, hugging the tender ribs. I fold in the cooked rice, sweet corn, and vibrant green peas. Every gentle stir mixes the true colors and comforting flavors of a bountiful autumn harvest. The ribs emerge from the oven, sizzling, deeply caramelized and perfect. A quick and soft scramble of farm-fresh eggs, keeping the heat very low so they remain incredibly silky and tender. Now we bring our cashew and shrimp fried rice to life. Tossing plump fresh shrimp with our fluffy nutty rice brings such joyful and vibrant energy to the kitchen. Adding crisp celery and a tiny hint of red chili. The celery is deeply hydrating and provides a refreshing crunch that perfectly balances the richness of the seafood. We gently fold everything together, the soft eggs, the sweet corn, and the savory shrimp. Every single grain of rice is coated in flavor. This is more than just a meal, it is a celebration of the harvest. Finally, a quick toss of green beans and mushrooms with a pinch of pure sea salt. Our beautiful bento box is complete. From my garden to your table with love. Do not forget to subscribe for more peaceful cooking.